Unlocking forgotten Wi-Fi passwords on your iPhone used to be a pain, but with the latest iOS, it's incredibly simple. This feature lets you see the password for the network you're currently connected to, and even networks you've joined in the past. Let's start with the network you're using right now. Open your settings app and tap on Wi-Fi. Next to the Wi-Fi network you're connected to, you'll see a small information button. It looks like a circled eye. Tap it. Right there you'll see password. Just tap on the password to reveal it. For your security, your iPhone will ask you to authenticate using Face ID to unlock and display the password. Once it's visible, you can tap copy to easily share it with your friends or another device. No more scrambling for that tiny sticker on the back of your router. Ever connected to a Wi-Fi network and forgotten the password and wish you could see it again? Now you can. Go back to settings and tap on Wi-Fi. In the upper right corner, tap edit. You'll see a list of all the Wi-Fi networks your iPhone remembers. Networks that require a password will have a small lock icon next to them. Tap the information button next to the network whose password you want to see. Just like before, tap on the password field to reveal it. Again, you need to use Face ID to confirm. Once it's displayed, you can tap copy to save it to your clipboard. This is super handy if you're setting up a new device or helping someone else connect. Did you know you can share your Wi-Fi password without copying and pasting it? Check out this video to learn how.